we are going into the bank accounts, my lord. We have to, the information from different offices takes certain amount of time, and my lord will kindly see, my lord, on the 14th, my lord will kindly bear me. I am not disclosing the name because my officers are also very apprehensive. They don't have any security from central government.
He is not the competent officer to deal with this type of case.
My lord, in my
I would request
my lord,
somebody else to come.
My lord.
The director, enforcement directorate is directed to take immediate steps in the matter. The confidence level appeared to be very low.
My lord,
if the enforcement directorate officer does not have that level of confidence, how will he tackle with this type of situation?
My lord, first of all, my lord, we apologize, my lord. The report which we had filed, my lord will kindly appreciate, give us some fearlessness. My lord, when we are on the objects and we are experimenting on the objects, and we will come before my lord with the inferences. Now, my lord, what was the only thing which went wrong from our side, my lord? We are keeping no stone unturned, and my lord, we have already extracted the bank accounts and other details, my lord, and a very, very, very comprehensive report will be filed on the 10th. And my lord, again, this is not a report, my lord, but in a sealed cover, because my lord, on air, my lord, we don't want to go, my lord, because, my lord, less said the better, my lord. With one summon, if this Twitter comes, my lord, if we go on, say everything online, my lord, they get a premonition, and the investigation may get, my lord, it may become a taller, my lord. So, my lord, we are investigating. We are not leaving any stone unturned. My lord will kindly go through this, my lord. This is not a report, my lord, but since we don't want to go live streaming as to what we have done already, my lord will kindly see. And my lord, as far as our predicament of officers are concerned, my lord, we are investigating in totality 131 cases, my lord. Now, my lord, we have 6 investigating officers, and above them, we have another 4 officers. So, my lord, one investigating officer is saddled with the responsibility of 22 cases. And, my lord, the procedure which we are following, my lord, are all in a prim and proper condition, my lord. We are going on, my lord, and there has been, we assure, my lord, there has been no lackadaisical attitude, no laid back attitude from our part, my lord. We'll kindly appreciate that. My lord will kindly go through, my lord, from the first line we have stated, my lord, as to what we have done, my lord. And, my lord, as on date, my lord, we have already 49.80 crore rupees we have already got, my lord.
But then you are unable to identify the person responsible.
My lord, we have identified. My lord will kindly bear us for till the 10th, my lord. We have identified what we are going on, and, my lord, money trail, my lord, we are on the money trail. My lord will see the PMLA.
Money trail.
My lord will kindly predicate offense. We are going into the bank accounts, my lord. We have to, the information from different offices takes certain amount of time, and my lord will kindly see, my lord. On the 14th, my lord will kindly bear me. On the 14th, my lord passed an order. And before that, on the 21st, my lord, we had caused search, 21st and 22nd, my lord. And after that, as soon as we had caused search, my lord, we were compelled to come with an application before my lord in order to save ourselves. Then my lord was very benevolent. After that, that GD entry had stopped. In between, since it had fallen from my lord, we were going on, and we had already given summons. We have already asked people to come. And, my lord, we are at it, my lord. And, my lord, we have already now, my lord, will kindly see, we have constituted a team, which is at, if my lord kindly sees, my lord, I'm not disclosing it on here, my lord will kindly see at page 5, my lord. We have got 2 investigating officers, my lord, my lord will kindly see, page 5, my lord. And we assure, my lord,
the first portion.
My lord, page 5, my lord.
Page 5.
Yes,
there
my
are
lord.
3 heads.
Yes, my lord. 3 heads, my lord. Yes, my lord. The first head is the first head is with primary teachers recruitment scam, my lord. There, my lord will kindly see 1, 2. I am not disclosing the name because my officers are also very apprehensive. They don't have any security from central government, my lord, as of now, my lord. Now, my lord, the entire team is there, my lord, and we are, my lord, at it. We have issued summons. And we are taking all positive steps, my lord. And with this particular, and we are assuring, my lord, that on the 10th, the team which we are trying to requisition, even more people over there, so that we will come to a logical conclusion, my lord. And it is heading, my lord, with deepest of respect to my senior learned friend, my lord, who was saying it is not coming to a conclusion, my lord. Milord, Rome is not built in a day. And Milord, I'm not going into that particular, but we will conclude it. And Milord, I give this assurance, Milord, we are an agency which is responsible and known for its credibility. One particular thing, Milord, where Milord, that was also a mistake, Milord, which I would not say, Milord, we had those details and everything is there, Milord, just in order to come up before my Lord with a comprehensive picture. Because if we come with only objects, my Lord will kindly see scientific, Milord's object, experiment, and then inference is drawn, Milord. If today, Milord, I come with only objects, it is of no, it will not come to any conclusive end, Milord. So, Milord, what I'm humbly submitting is, Milord, we have already reformed a team. Some more officers have been included, Milord. And on the 10th, Milord, we assure that we'll come with a very comprehensive report, Milord, come what may. And Milord, we are doing a job, Milord, in my respectful submission, Milord, which is, Milord, credit worthy, Milord. And we are not leaving any stone unturned.
But then the interaction that I had with your officer on the last occasion.
My lord will kindly appreciate.
Please
My lord, I being my lord's officer, Milord. My officer, Milord, was there, Milord. It was my unfortunate circumstances, Milord. I was lying indisposed, Milord. I was online, Milord.
No, it
Milord,
was not a matter of your lying in.
My lord,
I had a word with the officer concerned.
My lord.
And I am convinced that he is not the competent officer to deal with this type of case.
My lord, in my
I would request
somebody
else to come.
My lord, others are also there, but my lord, again, Milord, even at the cost of my lord, will kindly, I will be deep.
I am convinced.
My lord will kindly appreciate, my lord. He has been doing a wonderful job, my lord. My lord, we have already reconstituted.
A wonderful job somewhere else.
My lord, we have reconstituted the team, my lord. We have reconstituted the team, my lord. 10th, we are coming back with the report, my lord. My lord, 10th, we are coming back with the report, my lord, and the entire thing is before my lord.
A report has been filed by Mithilesh Kumar Mishra, Assistant Director, Enforcement Directorate, signed on 29th of September 2023. It appears therefrom that the court is yet to peruse the entire report. Stop. Learned advocate representing Enforcement Directorate has drawn the attention of the court to page 5 of the report. Stop. It appears that 3 separate teams have been constituted to look into the various scams that is being presently investigated by the directorate. Stop. Next. The deponent, Mithilesh Kumar Mishra, not deponent, the signatory to the report, Mithilesh Kumar Mishra, appears to have been included in the team for looking into the investigation relating to the primary teachers recruitment scam. Stop. Paragraph. On the last occasion, the court had an opportunity to interact with the said Shri Mithilesh Kumar Mishra in open court. Stop. Shri Mishra was unable to provide satisfactory answers to the questions put forward by the court. Stop. Next. On such interaction, the court is convinced that the said officer will not be competent enough to handle the instant recruitment scam case, which is of a huge magnitude. Stop. The deputy directors, it's better you write the director, Enforcement Directorate, is directed to immediately assign the work entrusted to Shri Mithilesh Kumar Mishra to some other competent officer immediately. Stop. Next. Shri Mithilesh Kumar Mishra shall be relieved investigation of the present case. Stop. The Director, Enforcement Directorate, is directed to engage Shri Mithilesh Kumar Mishra in some other case, but the said officer will not be entrusted to investigate any case arising in the state of West Bengal. Stop. Next. Paragraph. It has been brought to the notice of this court that summons have been issued for investigation on 3rd.
Asking to appear on 3rd. Summons were issued earlier.
Were issued asking for appearance on 3rd October 2023. Stop. The investigating officers shall take necessary steps to follow up with the investigation so that the same may be concluded at the earliest. The Director, Enforcement Directorate is directed to take immediate steps in the matter so that the investigation, so that the inquiry and investigation which is scheduled on the 3rd is not hampered in any manner whatsoever.
Number one important, my lord, the learned counsel spoke about the feeling of insecurity of the ED officers and central government is not giving protection. Kindly issue a direction.
My lord will kindly see, my lord, we are looking into the matter, my lord. We were not disclosing names, my lord. We were not disclosing names, my lord. We'll take it, my lord, because we are disclosure of name going on, streaming on, my lord. We did not want to. And my lord will kindly.
The issue is.
My lord, we will settle it, my lord. And my lord, one more point, my lord. I'm very humbly submitting before my lord. On that day also, my lord, since certain points were there, my lord, we did not want to go on air, my lord. Therefore, we did not disclose.
I don't know what is the reason, but then no answers were also coming forward.
My lord, that is the reason we were. The officer was, my lord, in front of my lord, my lord. He was slightly jittery, my lord. Will not kindly not take him amiss.
Jittery is something else.
My lord, in my respectful submission, my lord,
the confidence level appeared to be very low.
My lord,
if the Enforcement Directorate officer does not have that level of confidence, how will he tackle with this type of situation?
My lord, confidence before my lord
is of such huge.
My lord will kindly see, my lord, confidence before my lord of an officer is bound to become jittery, my lord. My lord will kindly also see that. It was about having confidence
ensure, my lord. I think Mr. Trivedi will excuse me, my lord. Mr. Trivedi was making his concern about the security of the officers. Let the central government, my lord, give necessary security to the officers.
My lord, we'll come back, my lord. We'll come. We had
your coming back will be after.
No, my lord, what I'm humbly submitting is, my lord, we did not want. No, my lord, as of now, I have no such instruction, but my instructions were not to disclose names.
Very well.
So that, my lord, in order to avoid
the names have not been disclosed.
That is why I told my lord that. Yes, my lord.
The court has lost confidence, so he is required to leave. Somebody else will come and take it up.
Whatever has fallen from my lord.
This is what is there.